Hi guys, my name is Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I'm very happy about that. And thank you so much for all the comments that are being left on my last couple videos. It means so much to me, so thank you so much. Well, you're probably wondering where I am and why I am stood outside this very door here. This is actually one of the most important doors in our modern history. It's my uni room. I take so much pride in my room and I think it's so neat and so beautiful. So yeah, let's just get into it. Let's enter the dungeon. And we're here. Okay, so we are currently at the door of my room where, courtesy of whoever lived here before me, because I'm the only person in the flat that has this, is a coat rack. Honestly, this is so good. It saves me so much space. It just hangs on the back of my door. I didn't have to buy it, so it was free. And that makes it just that much better. And then moving on to my first wall here, this is kind of my plain wall. I didn't really know what to do with her, but here I have my Tyler the Creator vinyl poster. It just features all of the lyrics from Flower Boy, which is one of my favorite Tyler albums, and Tyler the Creator is one of my favorite artists, so you know, makes sense for the perso. And then up here is a poster that I got from my uni campus because they would like do random poster sales, and it says 555 change. Something new is coming. I'm not really into like the angel number stuff, but like if I were to be, I would like it in this color, and that's why I got it. And then kind of moving further into this section, I have my ottoman, which doubles as a little seat for guests. I love using it. I like sitting here, to be honest. It gives you a good view of the room. Like this is me like sat next to the ottoman as fuck. Like look at that room, you just get a full sweep of the place. It's great. And then right next to this lovely love seat is my laundry basket, which is also pink. It's from Primark. I think she costs like £3 or £6 maybe £6. And then this ottoman, she's from B&M. She cost like £20. She was the last one left. I literally like lugged her home because I don't drive. And it was a horrible experience, but the gain of having this pink ottoman, oh, incredible. Moving on to kind of a focal point of this room, of course we can't ignore my Get Naked rug. I got this rug from Urban. It's actually a bath mat, but she does cost £26, so she is a rug, because why the fuck would I spend £26 for a rug to get wet and gross and dirty inside a bathroom? But it does make the Get Naked phrase make more sense. And then we just have my lovely mirror. She's slaying, she's here, she's full body. She's kind of skinny, but she's cute though. She still gets the job done. I still get cute mirror selfies in this mirror, so I'm not bothered. I'm not complaining. Look at me in my cute little outfit. Trousers from Depop, jumper from Primark, and she's right next to the bed as well, which I think is just really cunt and cute and a good choice. And then moving on to the bed section of my room, as this is also another focal point of what goes on in Rihanna's room. Wait, that's also a euphemism. Anyway, I literally just mean in terms of the look. So I have like a grey weirdly shaped pillow behind there, and then I have two main pillows here. I have my pink heart pillow that comes from Primark. She was actually £3. She was on sale. I got her in a Harrow Primark. Very random. And then I have my pillows here. I changed my pillowcases from a dark pink to a light pink as I thought that would be more aesthetic. And then I have my, this is from Christmas. I need to take it down, but I like have it. And then I have a little light that comes with my room that I use as like my side light, because I don't like using the main light because it feels like I'm in a hospital. I mean, like, she probably is quite bright, but like she's just very clinical, and I don't like that. Like I like warm white lights. I don't really like clinical white lights. It makes me feel like I'm in a hospital, which I don't want to be in. The NHS is crumbling, guys, and it's because of our government, but that is a different video that I would love to make, to be honest. And then moving on to what we cannot ignore, my massive fucking pinboard. This shit is massive, if you guys don't know. Like, if you guys came into my room, and by the way, I genuinely cleaned my room and like swept my floor as if you guys were coming to my room, because I care that much. Like BTW, like you guys are literally invited. Look up. She doesn't look as big on camera, I would argue, but like in real life, she is gargantuan. She's over 100 pictures. There's over 100 pictures on this pinboard, and it truly describes my life. So I'm gonna take you through and yeah, show you some highlights and some bits. So I start off kind of here in the corner. I have my Pro Bono Achievement Award, because I was a part of the Pro Bono Society. I was a part of Outlaw. And then I just have some general pictures of me doing things. This is for when I worked for MSF. hence why I have this big focal point almost. I keep on saying focal point, I don't know why. But yeah, this is the map of where Médecins Sans Frontières or Doctors Without Borders, this is where they are. I used to work for them this summer. We're in over 74 countries in the world. Like, we're doing absolutely amazing work. Like, usually where all your fave charities like aren't or can't be, MSF is there. Sorry, I'm like turning this into a little ad, but no, but like real, like recently 2 MSF doctors died in Gaza and because of like the conflict that's going on. So we really are doing the work, and I don't know how the doctors do it. They're so brave and so selfless. So yeah, if you do have the means to donate to a charity, I think MSF is a charity you need to be donating to. I donate, and I'm a fucking uni student with no money, so yeah, do it, please. Yeah, so anyways, after that info, Mashal. So this is when we were working at All Points East, which is a festival in East London. This is a little law thing when I went to the Slaughter and May open day. That rhymed. This is me and my friends. This is me with some magnums, lol. This is me when I met an artist in my last video. That's the picture of that. This is my old room. And this is when I went to Barcelona. It was the travel card that we used, and my one just kept on not working. It was really annoying. This is me and my best friend in Jamaica, in my homeland. Loved it. Me and my friends, me and my lovely dad. Here's me and my mum. We were in Harvester, so cute. This is me and Grace at Brighton Beach, 4 a.m. 4 in the am. These are Cheetos from Barcelona. Me in Jamaica. This is also my lock screen if you wanted to know. I'm also General Secretary of the 93% Club. This is me. This is everything me. This is literally who I am. This is me. Okay. And now a quick intermission to show you all the pink things I have in my room, because I love pink so much. Like, I don't know why, I feel like pink is such a, especially this shade of pink that I have in my room. It's like a baby pastel. Like, the pink is just so beautiful, and I love it. I think coming in like a close first position is obviously my pink heart pillow. This one is always super fun, is my pink dustpan and broom. She's cute, I use her today. She's super good as well. Like, I got her from, I think, the Range. She was £2. I saw her there, she spoke to me, so I got her. And of course, when I'm getting ready, I like to put this lovely, I don't know, like headband, I don't fucking know. Oh my god, no, I have to do it properly. It just keeps my braids like out of my face, and it makes me feel like a pretty, even though I look kind of wild. So I don't feel like a pretty princess. Maybe with my hair tied back, I think I'll be a bit better. Hopefully I don't have sweat patches. Because I love how I have that video that I made like 2 years ago of me like playing songs that I wouldn't play on the aux. Honestly, I love that video so much. Like, I think it's so funny, but like it's super cringe, but like love it though. You know me and cringe. But yeah, this, like, do my makeup, like, Oh, and then also, if you guys wanted to know, so essentially with my pinboard, there's 2 sets of fairy lights on the pinboard. And let me show you something cool. So it comes with a remote control, so it has many different settings, and I can do it to this one too, or I can do slay, sick. And then when I'm going to bed, I literally just get my remote. I'm like in bed, I'm like, oh wow, like life is just so deep and meaningful. I'm gonna go to bed and have sweet dreams. It's great. But yeah, I use these fairy lights. They're from Amazon. They literally cost like £10 and you get 2. So I still have another one because I had to replace one. You don't care. So that's what I use. I realized I turned off my light, so hopefully you guys could see me. No, I'm joking. That's not even a funny joke. Another one of my favorite pink things is my charger. My charger is also the same beautiful fucking baby pink, and I love her. My pink bin bags. They are pink, they are strawberry scented, they are from the Range, they are £1. Like, they literally smell nice, like. And when I'm taking out my trash, like looking at that big, stinky, dirty uni dustbin, I know that my pink bin bag is there, cuntifying her up. Like, now the bin bag is cunt. Like, knowing when the bin men come and they like see a pink bin bag and they're like, damn, like a bad bitch lives here. And I'm like, I know. I do my nails myself, so this UV hand dryer, she's also pink. She's cute, she's simple, she has the settings. A mouse. And my pink whiteboard that honestly I haven't used in 2024 yet, so hopefully I'll get to using that very, very soon. And then let me just show you my pink bin bag in action, looking beautiful. And now we shall move on to the desk portion of where I am. So I have ruined this shelf. I literally stuck like pins, like myself, by hand, and it hurts so bad. This was like the most building work I've ever done in my life. Like, I felt like a carpenter. I felt like Jesus in like BC, like it was hard. She obviously has books because I'm a law student. I am a law student, if you guys did not know. Oh, I also painted this picture at a law firm, at Allen and Overy. And then here are my favorite collection of things, because my room has to smell nice. Like when my room doesn't smell nice, it makes me feel insecure. So here is the limited edition B&M only. B&M only sells this, but it smells like strawberry swirl, and it's the most beautiful scent you could ever smell, and it smells like happiness. And I also got it full fabric. And I also got this other one that I don't want, because I want strawberry swirl. So yeah. And then moving on to my perfume collection, I got Tommy Girl for Christmas, which I was very happy about. It smells really good. I really like fresh floral scents that have like a hint of apple. It's like very fresh. It isn't exactly feminine, but it's like feminine and like it's very like free, like I'm a free girl, like I don't care about societal standards, but I still want to smell like nice. And then this is my standard spray. It's Peach Bouquet from Primark. £3, can't go wrong, can ya? And she's such a pretty colour as well. Obviously she matches the aesthetic, so I like her. And she smells really good, to be honest. I just have a bunch of miscellaneous ones. My brother got me sunflowers. It's quite like evening, so I say that for the evening. And it's also not pink, so she has to go at the back. I'm sorry, queen. And then my parents got me a calendar for first year, so she's not updated, but she's cute though. It reminds me that they are very proud, so that's nice. And then this is not sponsored, like this is just not sponsored, but like this is the best deodorant to ever exist, like FYI. Like if you guys wanted to know that answer, then you got it. It's the Mitchum Black and White. And like funny story about how I even started using this deodorant. So it was the first night I had ever went to the club before, like the first night ever. It was like last year in like July, so it was like summer, you know, and there my little like top and whatever, like I'll be able to show some snaps of like what I was wearing, like in a cute little fit, you know what I'm saying, a cute little fit. We went to the club. It was a really nice time, to be honest. I like met this lovely boy and we like went on dates, like it was nice, but he's no more. But anyways, but yeah, it was just a really good first time to ever go to the club. It was my local club, and like I was just very like happy to be there. Something happened with my friend's friend, and I was staying around my friend's house. So something happened that meant that my friend's friend, we had to basically wait for her outside until like 7 a.m, right? And bear in mind, we like went out, let's go pub and pre at like 9. So I'm like have been without deodorant for this entire time, and like at this time I didn't know the club rules. Like I didn't know, like maybe bring some perfume, babe. I didn't know how much exercise the club was, to be honest. And I don't like feeling like, oh, I'm just a bit like, oh, I don't like feeling like that. So I thought, let me wait until Tesco opens again and I can go buy some deodorant. And bearing in mind, the boy that I met at the club was like still with me, and I'm like, oh my god, I want to smell like peaches, like ah! Like looking back, I was definitely being extra paranoid, but like that's just who I am to my core. So I like bolt straight to this fucking Tesco as soon as it opened at like 6 a.m. The only deodorant that was like the cheapest thing there was like, it was roll on, and obviously I was wearing a black top as well, so I was like, okay, like what's there? Like I don't want to get sprayed, that's too loud, that's too crazy, like I don't like that. And bear in mind, up until this point I had only used spray deodorant, like I never used roll on. Like I was like, roll on is for like 12-year-olds, like fuck that shit. But tried it out and it smelled amazing. It dried so quickly and it stopped me. I like stopped sweating. Bear in mind, this is summertime. Like it was like hot. I stopped sweating immediately. I smelled absolutely fantastic. Like, you know when deodorant makes you just smell like nothing? I don't like that. I want deodorant to make me smell good. Like this is like good. Like if you go out with this, you like smell nice. Like you don't smell like nothing, you smell nice. So yeah, and then after that day, I literally swore to only get this. They don't even sell this in like every place all the time. So if you go to a Tesco Express, it might not actually be there, but it's supposed to be there. They definitely sell it in like Boots and Superdrug. By Mitchum Black and White, and it smells so good. Like it smells so good. It smells so good. And then one of the final pink things I love in my room is my pink gin. I used to be a vodka girl only, as you will be seeing when I show you my little bar that I've got going on. The Gordon's pink gin, like heaven. Double that lemonade, I'm like done. I'm like done for the night. Like I'm drunk, you know? Which I just love. But yeah, that's kind of complete over here. I have my favorite moisturizer also, if you want to know. She's absolutely incredible. Like use nothing else but her. Like, moving on to my little bar section. As you can see, I was once a vodka girl. I am no longer. I have some Chardonnay and some gin for the next celebration. And I also have some straws and some cups for when people need it. So my makeup bag there, she says R on it. I have like a heap of rubbish and milk bottles, which is one of my favorite sweets. And then over here, I have my K-pop albums, because I used to be a K-pop stan and I never let myself forget it. I have some books. I have, because I donate to MSF, I get the dispatches. And then I have my Tyler vinyl, of course. I have this thing I got from Lidl for Christmas. From my best friend Grace. They gave us this in law, I don't know why. obviously contracts, property, and then I got this magazine I got from a concert. The concert that I went to in my last video, or in one of my videos, that concert. And then I play tennis, so I've got some tennis balls. I like to pretend I'm Serena Williams from time to time. So my tennis racket was down by the side of my wardrobe. It's so good, it's so lightweight. It literally only cost £15 from Sports Direct. It was half price, so just can't really go wrong. Love a bit of tennis. I'm not left-handed, so. And then in my wardrobe is my dressing gown right here, and then my pink towel for the bath and shower, and my Udi, which is also pink. Honestly, my wardrobe isn't like the most organized place, but like she closes. So I think that's like the most important thing about a wardrobe, is that it closes. And that pretty much is the end. And I just want to say that my new uploading schedule will be every Monday and Friday. I like don't know why I thought I could post every day. Like I just don't, I just can't. But yeah, Monday and Friday, you can start your week with me and end your week with me too. I love posting on Instagram, so yeah, do follow me on Instagram. I will link it in the description, like do it. And definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you will have a good week for the rest of this lovely week, because it's Monday when you're seeing this, or not. Maybe it's not Monday. Maybe you're watching this on a Friday. Maybe you're watching this in 2032. Because if so, like, is the world even there? Like, is the world even there? Because we don't even know. We don't really know. Honestly, I'm betting on the next 5 years as being absolutely crazy. I see 2024 being quite crazy as well. Like, loads of things have been happening in the world, like in terms of like geopolitics, rah, rah, rah. But yeah, it's just not looking good. So if you are watching this in 2032, definitely leave a comment. Tell me what's going on. Hopefully I'll be able to be on the receiving end of it and we won't all be dead and gone. Bye, lovelies.